Welcome to HTML tutorial for beginners. My name is Numan Ghafoor and I am the instructor in this tutorial. If you have never done coding in HTML before, it's an ideal course for you. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create web pages and web applications. It is used to develop the structure and content of web pages. The web browsers display these pages. It is a markup language because it uses tags. It is not a programming language at all. Its purpose is to display information on a web page. HTML documents consist of elements. These elements are defined by tags. In this tutorial, we shall use Notepad++ as an HTML editor. It is open source. It means it is free to use. It is full of features and used by beginners and professional developers. It is simple and easy to use. It has great popularity among the developers. Before learning basic structure of an HTML document, we need two things to make clear. The first one is HTML tags and the second one is HTML element. HTML tag, it is a particular word or letter enclosed by angle brackets. For example, for paragraph we use letter P and it is enclosed between angle brackets. Similarly, for a table we use table tag and the word table is enclosed by angle brackets. HTML element is found by opening tag, closing tag and content between them. It is everything from opening tag to the closing tag. Now we see the general structure of HTML element. In the beginning, tag name, content, and then tag name. The first one is opening tag and the second one is the closing tag because it has / in the beginning. Opening tag for paragraph. This is a paragraph. Closing tag for paragraph, that's / P inside angle brackets. Similarly, opening tag for H1 heading. This is the most important heading, and finally the closing tag / H1. Now it's clear that the content of a paragraph is enclosed by a pair of P tags. The content of H1 heading is enclosed by a pair of H1 tags. Now we download and install Notepad++. We go to Google, write Notepad++. We click on downloads. There are different versions of Notepad++ available and we download the latest version. Download is completed. Now install it. Install. Install anyway. Select the language of your choice. We select English and OK. Next, agree. Installation takes place. So basic structure of an HTML document. We take a new page. Doc type HTML is declaration. HTML tags are taken. Head tags are written. We write head tags between HTML tags and title tags are written inside head tags. Now we write the page title. And we save the file as index.html. Finally, we view output in the browser. This is the page title. And we can change it anytime. Finally, the HTML code is given clean and clear shape. So the introductory lesson for this course is completed. You are requested to subscribe the channel, like and share the video, and click on the bell icon. See you in the next lesson.